Stock has been falling off a cliff recently. You can see here just in the last week with all the macroeconomic and geopolitical things going on, down over 13%. You really don't see that very often for Apple, $3 trillion plus market cap. So 13% is like $500 million on where they were at the beginning of the week. But that is not even the worst of it. In the last month, this one's down 20%. In the last 3 months, down almost 25%. This was one of the biggest companies, or still is one of the biggest companies in the world. Almost everyone who owns stocks through index funds or whatnot has some level of exposure, either directly or indirectly, to Apple. So when you see drops like this, it's really unprecedented. Looking back 5 years here, I'm looking for drops of 25% plus. You just don't really see them that often. That's one there in 2022. That looks like it was a pretty good drop. But other than that, I don't see any one that is the length or the size of this drop here that we're currently seeing right now, where we just went from $220 a share, close to all-time highs, down to the 180s here. You can kind of see now that we're in the 180s, we're about 10-15% away from the 52-week low on this name, actually. So this is going to be one to continue to watch here. It's not one I own. I think the PE is very rich, especially given the fundamental growth of the business. They've been kind of boosting earnings per share with buybacks and whatnot, but still one that I thought was probably a bit ahead of itself of where it should be as more of a consumer staple stock at this point than a discretionary technology company. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video for more. Thanks.